Hey guys, welcome to Techno Salad. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete blank page in Word document. So let's get started. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming useful tech videos like these. Here I will show you how to delete in between blank page and last blank page in the Word document. Here I have two documents. Document 1 has 3 pages and second page is blank. Document 2 also has 3 pages but the last page is blank. First open the Word document. Now go to your unwanted blank page, which is the page number 2 in our case. Click as close to the bottom of the page as you can get and press the backspace key on your keyboard until the page is removed. Now you can see the blank page having the page number 2 has deleted. Now you can save the document. Now this document has 3 pages and the last page is blank. Now go to the View tab. Tick the navigation pane in the Show section. Select the blank page thumbnail in the left panel, which is page number 3 in our case. Press delete key until the page gets removed. Once the unwanted page gets removed, you can save the document. So that was the short tutorial on how to delete the blank page in Word document. If you find the video helpful, then please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.